Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you this super simple and adorable bow pattern. You can use this as a back accessory, a keychain, or even cute hand decoration. Without further ado, let's get started. Here are the materials we need for today's tutorial. You can use any type of yarn you like. I'm using acrylic yarn, which is a bit slippery. If you're a beginner, I recommend using cotton yarn, as it's easier to work with. First, wrap the yarn around your finger like this. Then, slide the loop of your finger and use a 3.5mm crochet hook. Insert the hook into the loop from the back, yarn over, and pull through the loop. Next, make a total of 42 chains. After finishing 42 chains, starting from the third chain from the hook, make one half double crochet. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Continue making 39 more half double crochets across the row. Once you have completed a total of 14 half double crochets, do start row 2, chain 2 and turn your work. For row 2, work in the back loop only and make a total of 40 half double crochets. From row 3 to row 8, repeat the same pattern as row 2. Chain 2, turn, and make 40 half double crochets in the back loop only. After finishing row 8, your piece should look like this. To finish off, chain 1 and leave a long tail for sewing. For now, tuck the yarn tail here. Next, sew the two short edges together. Find the center of the bow here and sew it together like this. Then, wrap the remaining yarn tightly around the center. Adjust it so it sits neatly in the middle of the bow. And hide the yarn tail. The main body of the bow is now complete. Now let's move on to the tail of the bow. We do the same steps as the bow body. For the bow tails, I only make 3 rows in total. Fold the piece in half to find the center. Use yarn to attach it to the bow body we made earlier. For the center knot, start with 15 chains. From the third chain from the hook, make a total of 30 double crochets. For row 2, chain 2, turn, and make 13 double crochets in the back loop only. Finish with one chain and leave a long tail for sewing. Now sew this piece onto the center of the bow. And adjust it slightly to make the bow look more even and neat. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Happy crocheting, and I see you next time. Bye bye.